Hello, my name is Yudhistira Saputra. I am the owner of the factory of coconut shell briquettes. As you can see, my height is around 174 centimeters, and I will do the test about the cube briquettes, and I'll do the test around 130 centimeters. As you can see, we are going to test the cube briquettes. Okay, this is the first one. One times, second times, the third times, four times, five times. You see, 5 times still good. 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. So for the 8 times, our briquettes already cracked a little bit. As you can see, our briquette quality is very good enough for you. This is our super premium or platinum quality. Now you can see our website and order our briquettes. See you around.